Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show right here is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Today is Tuesday, November 29th. I'm really excited to be talking to you today about a new feature that Fiverr has put on. Fiverr's been doing so much. I've done a couple videos about them recently just because there's so much going on with Fiverr. That I need to fill in everybody about what's happening. So Fiverr just put in a new feature where they are offering, you have the ability to put an intro video on your overall profile. So of course, as you know, they do these things where each gig you have, you could put video plus, you could put one video plus three recordings. Okay, but to this point, they haven't had a video for your entire profile, like a welcome video. It's interesting because that's something actually that Upwork has done for a while. They have a welcome video for your profile. They've had that forever, but Fiverr has never had that because of the separate gigs. However, they have implemented that, and I want to show you exactly what it looks like here. So let's take a look. You can see here, I'm on the page where they talk about an intro video. So basically, you go to this page, there's a link on your dashboard. Now, it is in beta, which means that I'm not sure if it is who it was sent out to, if it was just for a few people, but they do go over, just kind of like the minimums of what they're looking for the video. But basically, this video goes onto your profile. Okay, and I had just recorded one.
Hi, my name is Anthony Pica. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my gig here on Fiverr.
Now, the crazy thing is that, again, and I've said this many times, and I've talked to Fiverr about this, but they don't seem to get it, that the audio of the videos just still sounds poor to me. It is being compressed, and it sounds like there's some hissing or something of all the videos, which I just frustrates me to high heaven. But anyways, this is a video, and it goes onto your profile. Okay, so the profile that it goes onto, let me show you that. See, I'm on my profile now, and if you scroll down on my profile, you can see that there is an intro video here. Now, I don't know, so you've got, the studio stuff, which I have access to create my own studio on Fiverr, which allows me to do, to bring in multiple actors or services and create my own studio through Fiverr and offer overall services. Of course, my status here, and then there is the intro video. Now, there's no picture here, which seems like, that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. I would have a picture here because this is just not very enticing to click on. But it's right here, you know what I mean? And it's in beta, and, and I'm not sure, again, that's where the video is. Now, of course, you've got your clients and your portfolio and the courses you've taken and all the rest of your stuff down here. But this is where the new beta video is. And, if you have it, I'm always an advocate for get it all up, you know what I mean? Get everything up on Fiverr. So if I click on this, it pops up here, which is cool.
Hi, my name is Anthony Pica. Thank you so much for stopping by and check.
And of course, I took that inside my booth, right? Just with my cell phone. And, but I love how it pops up right here. I think that's cool, but I definitely think it would be neater to have it on a thumbnail or something right here. So that's basically the new intro video in a nutshell. If you don't have access to it, or it's in beta and you have it, it'll be on your dashboard where it'll show you, say, hey, you've got an option to create an intro video. Go for it. Create everything you can, because I think it always sets your profile apart from everybody else, and it always gives you that more professional look on Fiverr. And I love what they're doing. And I think a lot of that I've not talked about the business. Well, I did talk a little bit about Fiverr Business, but I think this is also them pushing more, looking more professional for Fiverr Business clients, because they're going after bigger clients, bigger businesses. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so that, you get notified when I actually go or live or post a video. And don't forget, we're still offering the 50% off the first month of a VO's Journey Elite Academy for you to come over, give it a shot. We know you'll love it, to start and grow your voiceover business with an incredible community and awesome coaches. So thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful Tuesday. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye.